Good morning. Today's special item is presented by Class 8B. I Soumya
and I Ankleshwar
from Class 8B are here to present information about new parliament and the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat activities.
New Parliament on 28 May 2023, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi officially inaugurated
India's new parliament building, which is part of the revamped Center Vista project.
The new building is triangular in shape.
Built using green construction techniques.
Rainwater harvesting and water recycling system have been included. It has designed to be more space efficient and need to function for next 150 years.
Since Delhi is an seismic zone B, the building is planned to be earthquake-free.
Parliament for Lok Sabha. The new Lok Sabha chamber has a peacock theme with design drawn from the national board, figures carved on the walls and ceiling complemented by carpets.
The Lok Sabha chambers will have 888 seats, up from existing 543, with the option of expanded seats up to 1,272.
The Lok Sabha will be used for joint sittings of both houses in the absence of Central Hall, which was the fulcrum of the old building.
Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha chamber has been decorated with the lotus as a theme with red carpets.
In both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, two MPs will be able to sit on one bench and each MP will have a touch-screen desk.
The Rajya Sabha chambers are accommodating 384 members of parliament as opposed to the existing capacity of 250.
The increased capacity of both chambers is need to cater to any further increase in the number of MPs following delineation.
Constitution Hall. The new building has a Constitution Hall where the journey of Indian democracy has been documented.
National symbol. The building is reflected with national symbol including the national emblem of Lion capital of Ashok. The weighs 9,500 kilograms and is 1.5 meters in height and 4 visible from distance.
To support this massive bronze sculpture of 6,500 kg was constructed on top of the central flyover at the entrance. The Ashok Chakra and the word Satyamev Jayate has been carved in stone.
Golden scepter. It is a golden made of gold and silver and decorated with precious stones.
The symbol is 5 feet long and carries a golden orb at the top. The orb has a carving of Nandi.
A golden scepter symbol given to Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of independence to mark the transfer of power from the British with seat in the new Lok Sabha chamber near the Speaker's podium.
This picture was given to him by priest from Tamil Nadu.
Consolation. The new parliament building is not just a physical structure but a symbol of India's democratic spirit and aspiration.
It represents India's rich heritage, culture and diversity as well as its committed to upholding the values of the Constitution.
The new building will also serve as a reminder of India's glorious past, present and future as a vibrant democracy. Thank you and have a nice day.